Welcome and thank you so much for signing up for my online e-course. I'm so excited. I have been waiting to put all of this together, wondering where do I start? What's the best way to do this? And I just had to sit quietly and think about how is it that I could serve you best? And so I came up with this awareness cuff, and you can see that right over here. And I really thought about everything that I had been teaching you and all of the different books that are out there and how could I make it most easy? Because I truly believe in the connection between creativity and healing. And in that moment when we first become aware that something is just not going right, perhaps it's a relationship or it's a job, or maybe we're not really growing our business the way we want to. And so in that moment of awareness, I mean, that is huge. A lot of people don't realize that. Just to become aware that something doesn't feel right is such a big step. And that's all you really have to do. And so in this course, I wanted to coordinate that with something super easy to work on because I love my Jewel Loom. And I love the way that it helps to guide people. There's nothing more satisfying than being in a class and teaching a group of students and just watching how they really connect to the dance, that whole motion of going from side to side when you're weaving. It's just so mesmerizing. And I'm so excited that I get to share that with you. The beads that are in this project are big ones. They're big 6mm beads and they represent that ease of just becoming aware of making that first baby step in your life. So as you're going through this process and we're working on this together, I want you to think about what it is that you want to ask for. I want you to believe wholeheartedly that you're going to receive it. So ask, believe, and receive. And I know it may sound too simple, but you know what? It is. And again, congratulations for being aware and for joining me. I'm so grateful, truly, truly grateful. Now, the way that this e-course is broken down, what I did was we taped it in segments so that when I'm showing you how to put your rod into the loom, it's all about that. So that if you need to go back at any point and revisit, well, how do I put that metal rod in? And why am I doing that anyway? You can. Or maybe you forgot how to get started on adding your beads. You can just go to that. So we've really broken it down so that it's really nice and easy for you to follow along and to revisit. So again, thank you, so grateful, cannot wait to take this journey with you. And I'm working on more curriculum, writing more stories about connecting creativity and healing. So let's go.